Hello folks, welcome back to the channel, All Wonky Vids. Ant here with you. I am still at the Salt Springs campground, and tonight for dinner we're going to use a new item that my friend Fred gave me to use. He got this in one of his battle boxes, and this is the Nature's Grill from Southern Survival. Now, it's a one-time use disposable grill. It says it lasts about 60 minutes, so we're going to try this out and see how it works. So, you want to do it with me? Let's do it. Okay, after opening the package and removing the paper, this is what you get here. They said to remove this wooden bamboo part. These little grill sticks are. I'll just hold it over here. And then light the different corners of the charcoal. It says it's easy light, so we'll find out soon enough. I don't know. Is it easy light? Is it lighting? Is that one lit? Looks like it's lit. So now we're lighting this other corner here. And we'll light this corner. And we'll light this corner. I'm not really sure how well this is lighting, but we'll see. That one looks like it's going. It's almost like you have to keep your flame on it like one of them sparklers. Okay, I'm going to focus on finishing getting this lit, and then I'll check back in with you guys. It's kind of interesting. The only way you can tell that it's really going here is that one part starts to get a little darker as it starts to heat up. But it doesn't look like they're on fire, but there's definitely a lot of heat coming off this thing. But yeah, the only way you see that it's going is, see how it just gets darker right there? Yeah, I don't want to get my camera too close to it. Okay, it looks like all the charcoal is white hot charcoal. So there's a lot of heat being thrown off that, so I'm going to go ahead and put this little bamboo thing on the top. Put it on. Bamboo thing. Yeah, I'm just putting it right on top of like the actual grill that the camp provides. That's fine, right? Yeah. See, there's these little tabs here that you're supposed to pull out that this thing sits on. Whew. Oh yeah, that has some heat. Probably should get this away from it. Oh, and yeah. See, there's little notches there that it fits in. So that's the little grill part on top of the camp grill. Okay, so since this is just a disposable grill, we'll go easy on it. So, steak it is. Okay, so I flipped over the steak and it actually looks like it got cooked pretty good. Just gonna let it heat up on that other side a little bit. I'm gonna pull this off and try it out. Okay, just finished that steak. So, Nature's Grill. Honest opinion, it works. I mean, these little charcoal circles get pretty hot, and it cooked the meat decent. It just really didn't. For steak, no. For steak, wouldn't use this, but if this is a camping fire grill, like who's going to be bringing steak anyway or something? And then the sausages cooked fine, which, you know, I ate those up. I might cook a few more. But as far as the Nature Grill goes, it works. It works. Hamburgers, hot dogs, sausages, fine, maybe some fruit. But really, I just don't really get it because, I mean, yes, the single-use disposable is kind of novel, but at the same time, if you like to grill a lot and like you go out camping or something like this is not the way to go. I mean, it was light, but I mean, look how much space this takes up. I mean, it's almost as big as that grill. I mean, that's going to take up space in a bag or anything like that. So, Nature's Grill, if you're just car camping or something like that and you just want to cook some sausages, hamburgers, 100% recommend. But also 100% recommend just get a regular grill or just use the one here. Although here you'd have to use a lot of charcoal. That's a big space, but I mean, that's how much that used anyways. So, final review. 100% recommends out of a possible 7,000. And again, thank you for watching my channel, All Wonky Vids. Please don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe. And let's see more videos. Okay, so the sausages actually look pretty good. That little disposable grill, Nature Grill, cooked up these sausages alright. So let's try these out. Yum, that was delicious. The sausages were actually cooked pretty well and had a nice little pop and crispness to them when I cut through them and popped them open. So delicious.